Once upon a time, Benny the bear woke up with a tickle in his nose. He let out a mighty sneeze that sent his friends flying in all directions. His pals Sally the squirrel and Tina the turtle rushed in to see what happened, giggling at the wild chaos. They decided to have a sneeze off, trying to make the silliest sneeze sounds and actions imaginable. With each sneeze, the forest erupted in laughter, bringing everyone together for a hilarious dance party at the tree stump.